Christmas gifts for the mechanic in your life.
If someone sends you this link, that means they want something from this video. If you send someone this link, that means you want something from this video.
Gifts that you can never have enough of.
Right away, everyone needs a wrench extender. 4 sizes, this one's a small, there's a mini, there's a medium, there's a large. Great gift, fortishd.com.
But anyways,
Tool number 1. Not all of these are gonna be snap-on, but we do sell them on the truck. NOCO, Tyler, you got one?
I do, yeah.
You got 2?
2 or 3,
You
yeah.
got 3?
I think it's 2.
Okay, what's your opinion?
I would recommend 10 out of 10.
This is the little guy, and there are a series of many sizes, and I think Tyler's got...
For layman's terms, it takes dead batteries and makes them not dead. I believe this one even has the override button on it too, right?
If you got this baby plugged into your phone, you can plug it, USB, whatever.
Second on the list, metal pry tools.
Tyler doesn't have one of these.
Nope.
I call it the Jesus' fingernail. Pretty much get into anything. The nice thing about this guy is it's really wide and very thin, so it doesn't mar things when you're prying things. These are really cool for the stocking stuffer because you can literally you can never have enough of these 2 at the same time, right? Most people are using these for trim, like pulling seals and stuff like that, stuff where they just want to get into really tight spaces.
I'd recommend 2. You take 2 of everything and just away you go. That was the line that a Snap-on guy used on me years ago.
That's not even a sales pitch, it's just that handy.
Up next, it's in your pocket, it's a screwdriver, pocket screwdrivers.
Okay, I know everyone already has these, but you can never have enough of these. Mini screwdrivers. I know Tyler likes those ones because he thinks that they're...
I bent the first one.
You can put that in your pocket?
Hell yeah. Gets hooked in the wrong spot and you rip the pocket off trying to get it out.
These are probably the most lost product on the Snap-on truck. So I feel like 2 is not enough for these. It's more like 10.
10 confirmed.
Magnet? Or no magnet?
Magnet.
And what's in your other pocket? That's the pocket pry bars.
These are like the little mini pry bars.
The thicker version of this, 3/16.
They're not like the novelty ones that other brands sell. They're made of the same material as their big pry bars.
Buy 2 sets and away you go. But make sure you get 3 in case you lose the first one.
Want to shed some light on the situation? Every mechanic needs a light.
I think Tyler has some of these.
I do. I think I have that one.
This is actually the #1 selling product on my truck and has been for like 3 years. And that's the new little baby brother. He had a little mini guy that was very similar to this guy. Biggest difference between these 2 guys on the bottom here. This guy's USB-C, battery's internal, 700 lumens. This guy has our new proprietary, because you need more batteries in your life, these little guys, which are kind of cool because they got a little dock. And just keep pumping them in and never have it die. Magnet strength, because you got that big door on the bottom now, this guy just has way more beef on the bottom. Once again, 2 of each is the best. You can't go wrong with lights. You just not these ones because Tyler doesn't like them.
I don't mind the one in the right hand. I have them. I actually do enjoy it. It's one of the brighter lights I use, commonly used.
More lights.
Most popular little guys, 400 lumen, 700 lumen. This guy's plastic. This guy's aluminum.
That's metal.
700 lumens for the aluminum guy, 400 for the plastic guy.
I have the bigger one. It might be an older version.
How about the newer versions? These are the bigger brothers, the 8 hours. For guys like Tyler that work too many hours.
I have no life.
Aluminiums, plastics.
You thought we forgot about your pockets? Check your 3rd pocket. That's a pocket light.
Does Tyler have one? What is this trash?
One.
What the hell is that? Fisher Price.
Hey, you know what? It does the job, man.
HP3R by Coast, in my opinion, the best pen light.
I will agree.
It's not just the lifetime warranty that makes this product so good. It's been revamped a couple times.
So can we open it up? Take one out?
The green one, or do you... Oh, it's too late, you bought it. Best thing about this light, works without them, works with them. USB-C rechargeable. Little rechargeable pack. Focusable. One of the improvements that they did was they raised this lip so the button doesn't get damaged. Unlike this guy here, button gets damaged because it's gonna get caught on something. 385 lumens.
Roughly 1. And a not very bright one.
This guy's bright.
I'm so proud of my light. This is you. This is the guy she tells you not to worry about. Bam.
And if you're fashionable like Tylor here, we got every color under the sun. Moving on.
Can't go wrong with a good butane torch.
Did I just buy a light?
You probably do need that, actually. Does Tylor have one?
I do.
He does.
This is where I get my honest review.
What's your honest review? What?
Hate them.
Found a better one?
The Power Probe ones. They're a better torch. They survive.
What do you think so? Why do you think
These,
so?
for whatever reason, don't last in a service truck. The tip gets all jacked up. It doesn't want to burn properly half the time. And the Power Probe micro torch, every time lights up and wants to work. Doesn't matter what kind of butane you put into it. These are like the prima donnas. You gotta feed it right.
These guys like clean butane.
They're cool.
No, I think they're a great product. I sell a ton of those.
Yeah.
I sell the Power Pro ones as well.
Power Probe ones are better. Took everything away and left the light. I think I'm stuck with that thing.
As soon as you're 30 plus, you want socks. Buy socks as nobody ever buys them for themselves.
Okay, this is probably the #1 Christmas gift.
Yeah, I'm about to say something that's gonna surprise Carl.
What now? You like the Power Pro buns or something, or what?
Never wore them. Dean got me a set once, and Sierra decided to shred them after they came out of the dryer. Didn't get to wear.
Merry Christmas. Have a whole pack.
World's most comfortable, most durable work sock. It's a big word, man. I had to break it into two.
Do they work in tight spots? The 4x angle wrenches.
These are the best thing ever. If you don't own these, go buy them. Best in the business.
Except for the Power Pro ones.
This set from 3/8 to 1 1/8, jump size to 1 1/4. This is an investment you need to have. This is the best thing you'll ever buy. As an apprentice, this should be like your third purchase. Regular combination wrench, open end, box end, right? Works great. You're wrenching and all of a sudden you can't flip it and you can't get onto that bolt and you need a little bit more, right? So you got the same end on this. Well, bam. This gives you the second and third angle. Good for working in tight spaces. You got 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Everyone needs a set of 4-way angle wrenches.
Okay, we still have a couple more.
And torque wrenches, baby.
The key to every man's heart.
Big tools.
Big tools? I was just gonna say a torque wrench, but I think Tyler's got 2 of these.
It's worth every penny.
This is a nice product. I think Tylor actually has 2 of all of these. You got a 250 and a 300. Anyways, back to the key to every man's heart. You can't have enough torque wrenches.
And combination wrenches. Good starter kit.
Because the customers are into new products, we got all the colors here.
The green is still my #1 color.
This is the revamped new 80-tooth head. Our old one did not have the 80-tooth head. This is a non-reversible torque wrench. The beauty about the beam style, it is never under load until you start torquing on it. You don't have to zero her every time you put her back to bed. They've got this billet design now here. They've updated this cam design so it's a much more positive connection to the lock. The backing on this guy now, it's white backed with black writing, and the old one was black with gray writing, which was very difficult to see. Okay, that's it for Christmassy ideas thingies. Me and Trevor here.
Have shown you some Christmas gifts with mechanic in your life. Go spend your money. And your spouse's money.
In
Take
2s.
3s in some cases.
Bye! Bye!
Whether it's for Christmas, birthday, Kwanzaa, or Hanukkah, get them some tools. Tekamo approved tools at FortisHD.com.
Are you an experienced heavy-duty mechanic thinking about going on your own? Click the link in the description to fill out the form.
Because Tyler doesn't have enough Tekamo stickers, we're gonna stick a couple of these in here.
Tekamo, your heavy equipment support network.
Go check out our list featuring Cam from last year for even more gift ideas. And now flange lock drawer packs and more. Flange lock, flange lock, flange lock.